Children, I'm back with an exercise of chapter 14 from standard 7, General Science. In that question number 1 is, who are my companions? It is the similar question to match the pairs or find my companion. Now, in that group A is having some things, those are given here. First is stainless steel, second silver, third is Bhajni mixture for miling, then salt, coal, and hydrogen. Now, let us see the group B, what it contains, and we have to match the companions from group A to group B. Now, stainless steel is an alloy, silver is metal, Bhajni mixture, it is mixture, salt is a compound, coal is non-metal, hydrogen is an element. Question number 2. Write the name of the elements from the following symbols. Zn, it denotes zinc. Cd, cadmium. Xe, xenon. Br, bromine. Ti, titanium. Cu, copper. Fe, iron. Si, silicon. Ir, iridium. Pt, platinum. Now, question number 3. Write the molecular formula of the following compounds. Now, first one is hydrochloric acid, HCl, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, then sodium chloride, it is common salt, NaCl, glucose, C6H12O6, and methane is CH4. Give scientific reasons. Question number 4. First one is buttermilk is churned to get butter. In that answer is particles of butter are spread out in buttermilk. By churning, they join together due to centrifugal force and form one solid lump. So, for separation of buttermilk is churned. In chromatography, the ingredients of mixtures rise up to a limited height when water rise up to the upper end of the paper. Now, stability in the solvent that moves up and ability of the substance to stick to the filter paper are two properties used in chromatography. So this happens. A wet cloth is wrapped around a water storage container in summer. Now, we have to see what is the reason behind this. Answer is, a wet cloth will absorb the heat from the surrounding, and because of that, it will keep the water in the container cool. Now the next question is, write answers to the following questions in your own words. First one is, how are the components of mixtures separated by simple methods? The components of mixtures are separated by some simple methods like straining, filtration, evaporation, picking, sifting, sorting, winnowing, settling, and decantation. centrifugation combining with magnet, as well as sublimation. The components of mixtures can be easily separated by physical methods. Question number 2. Which elements, metals, non-metals, are elements, compounds, and mixtures do we use in our day-to-day life? That we have to write. Answer. We will see some elements in that. First one, non-metals. Hydrogen. It is present in water. Oxygen. We know that it is present in air. Calcium. It is present in milk. Nitrogen. It is the main component of air as well as soil. Now let us see some metals. There are innumerable examples, but we will see some. Gold, it is used in jewelry. Mercury, it's exceptional. It is liquid metal and it is used in thermometer. Aluminum and copper are used in electric wires. Now compounds, those are useful in our day-to-day life are water, sodium chloride, it is salt, sodium bicarbonate, it is baking soda that is used in kitchen, sodium carbonate, it is used for washing clothes, that is washing soda, hydrochloric acid, it is used for cleaning toilets and other things. Mixtures are air, bhel, chiuda, nimbu pani, shev bhaji, pulao, all juices, etc. In everyday life, where and for what purposes do we use centrifugation process? In everyday life, we use centrifugation for following purposes. In science laboratory, hand centrifuge is very useful. In pathology laboratory, electrical centrifuge is used for blood and urine examinations. In washing machine, for washing clothes. In kitchen, in mixer, blender, in beater. In giant wheel, also it is useful. In merry-go-round, it is used. D is, where are methods of separation by distillation method and by separating funnel used? Answer is, distillation method is used first to separate salt from salt water, second to purify impure liquid, third to prepare distilled water. Separation by separating funnel is used to separate oil and water, to separate kerosene and water. Thank you so much, dear children.